Okay, so today we're going to be changing out this piece here because the recycle button doesn't stay stuck in. It just keeps on coming out. That's probably the only reason we're replacing it. I don't know how hard it is. I've got a few tools. I know this is just clipped in, so it should pull out like that. When you pull it out, you're probably going to have to put the gear shifter down to low. If I can do that, I don't know. Yeah. And then that comes out, and then I'm going to disconnect the hazard lights, put that off to the side, and then it looks like there's a couple of screws in there that hold this piece on. They're Phillips head screws. I'm going to disconnect those. Put those off to the side. Disconnect this one. Out. This should pull out. This has got clips on the bottom of it too. As far as I know, that's it. So that unclips, and you've got 3 connectors on it. This one's for the clock. Easier than I thought. So this is the old piece. This is the new one. It's new to me. Hopefully all the things are the same. That one in first. Hook the clock in. Hook this one in. Cut this zip tie off. Okay. Push it into some clips. Screw the screws back in. Don't over torque these screws. And then before I put the rest of the stuff in, I'm just going to go check to make sure this does work. That seems to stay on. That one's on as well. What about the rear defense? Yes. It all looks good. So I'll turn it off and I'll put the top tires on. And this, make sure it all lines up and then just press it in. And there, it's all done. I'll set the clock to what time it is. Right now it's about 10:45, maybe 11. We'll try 11 right now. And then I'm all done. That was replacing this piece